Enhancing herb growth, the science behind herb hydroponics. Introduction to hydroponic herb growth. Discover the efficient, sustainable way to grow herbs using hydroponics, a soil-free system that boosts growth and saves water and space. Today, we explore the science behind it. What is hydroponics? Soilless growing method using nutrient-rich water. Essential nutrients delivered directly to plant roots. Eliminates the need for soil, allowing controlled growth conditions. Benefits of hydroponic herb growth. Rapid growth, herbs grow faster than in soil-based systems. Resource efficiency, requires less water and space. Disease and pest control, controlled environment reduces risks. Nutrient optimization, precise control of nutrient delivery. Basic principles of hydroponic systems. Nutrient delivery, directly provides essential nutrients, N, P, K, micronutrients. Water role, water acts as a nutrient carrier, with pH and quality management. Oxygen importance, proper aeration ensures healthy root development. Types of hydroponic systems. Deep water culture, DWC roots suspended in nutrient solution, with constant oxygen and nutrient access. Nutrient film technique, NFT, shallow stream of nutrients flows over roots. Drip systems, nutrients delivered through tubes, ensuring efficient uptake. How hydroponics enhances herb growth. Precise nutrient management, nutrients delivered directly to roots. Cultivation efficiency, plants focus on growth instead of searching for nutrients. Accelerated development, herbs mature faster with more frequent harvests. Water conservation, hydroponic systems minimize water waste. Nutrient delivery in hydroponic systems. Balanced nutrient solution, includes nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients. Direct root delivery, promotes faster growth and efficient nutrient absorption. Nutrient uptake efficiency, optimized delivery enhances growth and herb quality. Innovative nutrient delivery techniques. Aeroponics, fine mist delivers nutrients, improving oxygenation and absorption. Drip irrigation, controlled delivery minimizes nutrient waste. Nutrient film technique, NFT, continuous nutrient flow, ensures consistent access. Optimizing environmental factors for herb growth. Temperature control, herbs like basil prefer 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, mint 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity regulation, optimal humidity is 40 to 60% to avoid plant stress. Light management, 12 to 16 hours of light per day for photosynthesis and growth. Choosing the right herbs for hydroponic growth. Basil, aromatic, fast-growing, and thrives in hydroponics. Mint, vigorous growth, adapts well to soilless environments. Parsley and oregano, both flourish with consistent yields and intense flavors. Best practices for herb selection. Growth habits, consider water/nutrient requirements and space. Hydroponic adaptation, choose herbs that thrive in controlled environments. Personal preferences, align with herbs you enjoy using in the kitchen. Hydroponic herb garden setup and maintenance. Equipment selection, choose systems based on space and herb variety. Nutrient solution, monitor and adjust pH levels regularly. Regular monitoring, check nutrient, water, and pH levels frequently. Pruning and harvesting, regular care promotes healthy growth. Common issues and troubleshooting. Nutrient imbalances, test solutions and adjust for proper balance. Pest infestations, monitor for pests, use organic solutions if needed. Environmental fluctuations, control temperature and humidity levels for stability. Conclusion. Hydroponics offers a modern, sustainable way to grow fresh herbs year-round. With controlled nutrients, light, and environmental factors, herbs grow faster and healthier. Successful hydroponic herb gardening is accessible with proper care and maintenance. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring hydroponic gardening with us. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated.